got severe thunderstorm warnings in Kalamazoo County area. Right now I'm heading out to Portage from Kalamazoo, and this is Lover's Lane. We're getting quite a bit of rain. We're getting pounded with rain right now, and it's been this way for the last 3 or 4 or 5 minutes or so, I'd say. And it doesn't seem to be letting up much, and traffic seems to be going pretty smoothly right now, but there's quite a bit of traffic. Let's see the 5 o'clock traffic, the remainder of the 5 o'clock traffic. These people are getting out of work and heading home and wherever they may be going, but we're getting quite a bit of rain here. Seems to be letting up a little bit now. I don't know for sure, but it does seem like it's letting up a little bit. My wipers have kind of slowed down. They go with the pace of the rain flow. So, I mean, now they're starting to pause, so the rain is letting up, and it's not as bad as it was a couple minutes ago, but there's some rumbling going on right there, and there's a storm coming through, and we can see the clouds in the sky. I mean, and the steady rainfall. Just we don't know how bad it's going to get, but we'll keep our eyes open to make sure that it doesn't get too bad out here. I'm just going to be out for a short trip, and then I'll be going right back home. So I'm not going to be out in this too long, but this is definitely a good downpour. This is some rain that we've needed for a couple days now, and it's been so stinking hot. Everything was starting to dry out. I even had to water my grass yesterday with the water hose, and because I saw some spots that were getting a little bit brown, and see that the grass was just dying for a drink. So I watered the grass for a good 20-30 minutes, and now it appears to be getting a little bit better. It's letting up. So now we're on Romance Road, still heading into Portage. It's let up quite a bit. I just wanted to let you see what it was doing out here. I'm just about to my destination, and you can see the clouds. There's some dark clouds off there. That's off to the west. But the rain has come to somewhat of a pause. I'm not going to Walmart. I'm going to Texas Roadhouse. Yeah, looks like it could be over with. Who knows? We'll just wait and see. That's it for now.